this company reached out to me. It is BeaLuz, I believe that is what that is called. And they sent me some foot masks. So if you want to find out about a foot mask and what they did, just keep watching. Hey everybody, I hope my Glow Tarts are doing well today. And for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. This company, BeaLuz, I believe that is how you pronounce that. It's probably not, and I probably just butchered that, but I will put it somewhere up here so y'all could let me know down in the comments if I even said that correctly. But they sent me some foot masks to review. Now, first of all, I want to let you guys know that when these companies send me stuff to review, most of the companies tell you only review it if you have positive feedback to give them. So I've gotten quite a few things here lately, and the stuff that I don't like, I'm not going to do a video on it just because they ask you not to. But be watching, because I will be coming out with a hated or worst products, and those are most products that you find on there that I don't do a whole video review on just because they ask you not to, but they cannot tell you not to put it in your worst products or whatever. So that's how I get around that. I did want to go ahead and pick out the ones that I did like and go ahead and do a video review on them. Now, again, BeaLuz, I believe that's how you say that. They sent me these foot masks. These things are awesome. Now, let me make it clear that I have never done anything to my feet. I have never used a foot mask. I don't do pedicures. I don't do anything like that. Whatever I do to my feet, it's sort of DIY products, or I do it at home. I just mainly put lotion on them and go. After using these, I really did like these. It's not messy like you think. It's not like pulling a face mask out and it's just soaking wet. These are incredible. Now, I did put these on my feet, and I didn't really think that I had anything wrong with my feet. Like, they look normal to me all the time. I don't know why. But let me tell you, the next day after, it was like a layer of skin had to be pulled off the bottom of my feet. And I believe that's all the dead skin cells. But whatever it did, it actually worked. My feet are baby smooth now. So I didn't even know that you could use foot masks. I've heard of hand masks, of course, face masks. But this is the first time I've ever used anything on my feet. And I will be linking them below if you want to go check them out. And I'll also put the price up here somewhere of these masks. Now, I went ahead and I opened the other pack. I only used one of these, and that's what it done. So, see, they're not messy. So, when you take them out, they're not soaking wet like a face mask you would think they would be. And this is how they come. And what I done is I put a pair of socks on over top of them, kind of hold them in place. I kept mine on for 90 minutes. Now, it says to leave them on for 60 to 90 minutes. But be prepared to be pulling off dead skin cells and stuff the next day. But they are incredible, guys. I was like, oh my God, I cannot show my feet on video because I'll just scare everybody away. But guys, I really do like these. And I actually can't wait to use this other pair. And I don't know if it goes bad after opening it. So I am going to go ahead and use these again tonight, just so they don't go bad, because I don't know what happens after you open them. But I did want to show you what they look like and everything. And again, they will be linked below. So if you want to go check them out, go check them out. They go ahead and read about it. It says, after cleaning and drying feet, take out the foot masks and cut off the seal of the foot mask with scissors. Put on the foot mask. Press the outer layer of the mask to get the feet close to the essence. Tear off the red double-sided film from the inside and seal the opening. We recommend that you wear common socks outside of the mask to keep the mask close to the skin so as to facilitate walking. Walked around with these and everything. I mean, I didn't have a problem with them, but they are kind of cool, and my feet are really smooth and they look so much better. Even after I didn't even think there was anything wrong with my feet to begin with, if you know what I mean. I don't really have a lot of calluses and stuff on my feet, so it was incredible to see what it actually done. So if you want to check them out, they are linked below. And if you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed the review, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys.